Converting cryptocurrency on LBank is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To begin, it is essential to have an account on LBank, a popular cryptocurrency exchange platform. If you do not have an account, create one by providing the required information and completing the verification process. Once your account is set up, log in to the LBank website or mobile application. Navigate to the trading page, where you will find a list of available cryptocurrencies. Select the cryptocurrency you want to convert from the drop-down menu, and choose the cryptocurrency you want to convert it to. Next, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to convert. You can choose to enter a specific amount or use the percentage buttons to convert a portion of your balance. It is crucial to review the conversion rate and any associated fees before proceeding. After entering the amount, review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. Check the conversion rate, fees, and the total amount you will receive. If everything is in order, confirm the transaction. The conversion process typically takes a few seconds to complete, depending on the network congestion. It is essential to note that conversion rates may fluctuate rapidly, and fees may apply to your transaction. To minimize risks, it is recommended to stay up to date with market trends and use the latest conversion rates. Additionally, always prioritize security by enabling two-factor authentication and using a secure internet connection. In conclusion, converting cryptocurrency on LBank is a simple and efficient process. By following these steps and staying informed about market trends, you can quickly and securely convert your cryptocurrencies. Remember to always review transaction details carefully and prioritize security to ensure a smooth and successful conversion experience.